Good morning, student. I welcome all of you to our online classes. I hope you are all are fine and good at home. As you know, the whole world is under lockdown and shutdown process due to COVID-19. Wear a mask whenever you are going out. Wash your hands frequently with soap, hand wash and sanitizer. And follow the basic rules of WHO and state government guidelines. So now come to the point. Today I am very much excited and delighted that we are conducting a class on subject verb agreement, chapter 3 of class 10. So you must have learned in class 9 what is subject and what is predicate. You must have learned about it. So now here we learn how the subject agree with the verb. Okay, so before learning about it, we have to know that what is subject and what is verb and how does it agree with. Okay, so you must have learned in class 9 that a sentence has two main parts. Okay, the first one is subject and the second one is predicate. Okay, then what is the definition of subject? What is the definition of subject? Can you tell? And what is the definition of verb? Okay, now listen mindfully. The part which names the person or thing we are talking about, this is called the subject. Okay, so now in the first sentence, grandmother was praying and telling her beads. So in this sentence, see, grandmother is subject, was praying and telling her beads, this is predicate, and was praying is verb, was is auxiliary verb and praying is main verb. In sentence 2, the sparrows were not chirping. In sentence 2, the subject is the sparrows and were not chirping is predicate, and were is auxiliary verb and chirping is main verb. So now see, so we have to know that. So definition of subject, how can we know? So the definition of subject is the part which names the person or thing we are talking about, this is called subject. Okay, so we have already seen two sentences. How does it is? So mark one thing here, grandmother was praying and telling her beads. Now in this sentence, grandmother is subject and after grandmother there is auxiliary verb was. Okay, but in sentence 2 you see the sparrow is subject, but after that there is auxiliary verb were. Why is it so? Do you have any idea? Now come to the point. So first of all, you must have known that a sentence, what do you mean by sentence? A sentence is a group of words which makes a complete sense. So whenever we make any sentence, okay, so the subject in declarative sentence, the subject comes to the first position. Okay, the subject comes in the first position. Okay, so now see, so when we use the subject, okay, in the sentence to make agreement with the verb, we have to see two things. The first one is number and the second one is person. I have already signed here, look at here. Okay, so now you have to see two things. The first one is number and the second one is person. Okay, so what do you mean by number? The number refers to the count of a noun or pronoun. The number refers to the count of a noun or pronoun. And what do you mean by person? What do you mean by person? Person, a person is the way of referring, taking part in an event such as the person talking, the person being talked, and the person being talked about. Okay, so now see, when we use a subject in a sentence, we have to see two things. The first one is number and the second one is person. So there are two kinds of number माने ओडिया ताकू वचन को है two kinds of number. So first one is singular number, another one is plural number. And person, there are three kinds of person: first person, second person, and third persons. Okay, so now see, look at here. Just I have made some notes for the student convenience. So what do you mean by subject? You can say here, the part which name the person or thing we are talking about, this is called subject. आमे गोटे वाक्य रे जहा विषय रे कहा जाए बा जे कोनोसी कार्य करे ताको सब्जेक्ट कहा जाए. जेपर कि एग्जांपल देखिबा, रोज इज ए फ्लावर. सो इन दिस सेंटेंस रोज इज सब्जेक्ट. ओके, तो आमे जते बेले कोनोसी सब्जेक्ट यूज करि थाउ तार कोन देखि थाउ, तार नंबर देखि थाउ. नंबर काहा को कहा जाए? द नंबर रेफर्स टू द काउंट ऑफ ए नाउन और प्रोनाउन. जहा द्वारा नाउन बा प्रोनाउन रो संख्या जणा पड़े ताको नंबर कहा जाए. जेपरि कि बॉय एग्जांपल देखि परबा, बॉय हला सिंगुलर किंतु बॉयज प्लुरल. ओके, वाइफ वाइफ्स. ओके, तो हम एमति देखि परबा. तो नंबर इज डिवाइडेड इनटू टू काइंड ऑफ. फर्स्ट वन इज सिंगुलर नंबर एंड द सेकंड वन इज प्लुरल नंबर. सिंगुलर नंबर काहा कहा जाए? ए नाउन व्हिच डिनोट वन पर्सन, प्लेस और थिंग इज सेड टू बी in singular number, like tree, cat, book. This is in singular form. Okay, then plural को ओडिया रे कोन कहा जाए? बहुवचन. A noun which denotes more than one person, place or thing is said to be in plural form. Now see example: trees, cows, cats, etc. Okay, now look at your books here. You can see. So in these two sentences we have to analyze. Okay, we have to analysis the two sentences. First one is, grandmother was praying and telling her beads. In the first sentence, grandmother was praying and telling her beads. In the first sentence, pratham vakya re grandmother hela subject, watch hela auxiliary verb, praying hela main verb, and telling also main verb. Okay, in second sentence, the sparrows were not chirping. The sparrows hela subject को ओडिया रे कर्ता बा उद्देश्य बोली कहा जाए. भार्ब को ओडिया रे क्रिया कहा जाए. बुझिला? तो हमें जते बेले कोनोसी व्हेन वी यूज ए सेंटेंस, हमें जते बेले कोनोसी वाक्य आरंभ करू, हमें सब्जेक्ट रो कोन देखि थाउ? नंबर एवं पर्सन को ध्यान दे थाउ. ओके, तो नंबर ऑलरेडी मु कहि सारी छी जे नंबर हला दुई प्रकार. गोटे हला सिंगुलर नंबर आ गोटे हला प्लुरल नंबर. तो फर्स्ट सेंटेंस रे ग्रैंडमदर सिंगुलर नंबर व्यवहार करा जाई छी. तेणु करी ग्रैंडमदर परे वाज प्रेइंग व्यवहार करा जाइछि. ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब वाज हिछि. किंतु सेकंड सेंटेंस रे, बट इन द सेकंड सेंटेंस द स्पैरो हला प्लुरल नंबर. तेणु करी स्पैरोस परे वेर व्यवहार करा जाइछि. ओके, नाउ कम टू द पर्सन. सो पर्सन विषय हम जदि जानिबा, पर्सन कहले ओडिया रे ताको पुरुष कहा जाय. बुझिला? पर्सन, ए पर्सन इज द वे A person is the way of referring to someone taking part in an event, such as the person talking, the person being talked to, and the person being talked about. Okay, तो पर्सन कहले पुरुष बोली कहा जाए जी कि कोनोसी इवेंट रे बा कोनोसी कार्यक्रम रे बा कोनोसी माने वार्तालाप रे भाग ग्रहण करते ताको पुरुष जहा विषय रे कहा जाए, जी कथा रो माने जहा विषय रे कहा जाए किबा जी कहे, दैट इज कॉल्ड पर्सन. ओके, पर्सन को तीन भाग रे विभक्त करा जाइछि. कौन कौन? फर्स्ट पर्सन, सेकंड पर्सन एंड थर्ड पर्सन. फर्स्ट पर्सन के आई एवं वी. सेकंड पर्सन का कहा जाए यू एंड यू. एंड थर्ड पर्सन का कहा जाए ही, सी, इट एंड ऑल नाउन्स. एवं प्लुरल फॉर्म तार हला दिस इज द. ओके, सो नाउ सी, look at here the following sentences. ए जगह subject दे जाइछि, subject is here and verb is here and parts of the other than the verb is here. Now see, look at here. Here is the table, subject verb agreement table. Okay, so I am in the school hall. हमें कहि परिबा I am in the school hall. I सहित am verb व्यवहार करा जाय. We सहित कोन व्यवहार करा जाय? हमें देखिबा we are in the school hall. जेहेतु we हला प्लुरल, तेणु करी we सहित आर व्यवहार करा जाय. You are in the school hall. You सहित आर व्यवहार करा जाय. You माने तुमे बा तुम्भे माने. दे माने समाने तो दे सहित आर व्यवहार करे दे आर इन द स्कूल हॉल द स्टूडेंट्स माने हला प्लुरल सो कौन व्यवहार करिबा द स्टूडेंट्स आर इन द स्कूल हॉल ही इज इन द स्कूल हॉल सी इज इन द स्कूल हॉल सी सहित इज व्यवहार कर जाए ही सहित मध्य इज व्यवहार कर जाए इट सहित इज व्यवहार कर जाए इट इज इन द स्कूल हॉल okay Gopal is in the school hall Rani is in the school hall the teacher is in the school hall the teacher and the students are in the school hall the cow eats grass cows goats and sheep eat grass okay so this is the subject verb agreement table so now I think you all must have understood the concept what is the subject verb agreement how does the subject agree with the verb तमे माने निहाती जानी थिबो बुझेला तो आमे जेते बेले सब्जेक्ट सहित verb रो एग्रीमेंट करि थाउ बा सब्जेक्ट सहित जेते बेले verb को व्यवहार करि थाउ आमे सब्जेक्ट रो दुईटी जिनिस को आमे देखि थाउ गोटे हला नंबर एवं पर्सन बुझेला तो सब्जेक्ट रो नंबर देखि थाउ नंबर साधारणतः दुई प्रकार गोटे हला सिंगुलर नंबर आ गोटे हला प्लुरल नंबर जदि सब्जेक्ट सिंगुलर नंबर हिथिबो ताहेले सिंगुलर verb व्यवहार करा जाय बुझेला जेपर कि ग्रांडमदर परे वाज व्यवहार करा जायछि किंतु द स्पैरोज जेहेतु माने सब्जेक्ट प्लुरल अछि तेनु कर से जगह रे वेयर व्यवहार करा जायछि बुझेला एवं पर्सन को देखा जाय जे सब्जेक्ट वेदर इट इज फर्स्ट पर्सन सेकंड पर्सन और थर्ड पर्सन फर्स्ट पर्सन आई एवं वी सेकंड पर्सन यू एवं आउ गोटे यू माने तुमे बा तुमे माने थर्ड पर्सन he, she, it, they, even all nouns are third persons. Okay, so I hope you must have understood all the things, and if you feel any kind of doubt, then comment on the